Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about the inner life of cats. As everyone who has spent time with cats knows our feline companions are mysterious, much more so than those other furry family member here. John Bradshaw, author of Cats and field a selection of questions submitted by a scientist American editors by Twitter follower about cats, many quirks. Bradshaw is a visiting fellow at the University of Bristol School of Veterinary Science in England, where he studies the behavior and the welfare of cats and dogs as well as interacting with people. Are cats less domesticated than dogs? Cats are far more than similar to their wild ancestors than dogs are to wolves. So dogs are in the sense that the more domesticated of the two species, as they adapted to living alongside human. Cats became the more sociable with everyone and much more accepting of people. But there is no evidence that they have changed much more than over past few hundred years. Will cat require meat eventually evolve to broader array of food as dog as go. Cats and dogs belong to any group of mammals known as carnivora, and the wild ancestor of both species derived primarily on meat. Recent DNA analysis indicate that over the course of their evolution, dogs have acquired more copies of called amylase, which makes an enzyme that helps to the breakdown starch. Having more copies of gene has allowed to dogs to eat a breakdown starch to more omnivorous diet. In contrast, the cat family, known as Felidae, lost the genes that encode several key enzymes, including those that manufacture vitamin and the amino acid taurine early in its evolution, whereas the dogs can synthesize the substance from plant-based procedures. Cats have obtained framed them from meat. To expand their diets, cats would have to evolve psychological traits that allow them to synthesize these and the other key nutrients from plants food. This capacity has not emerged during the 10 million years of field evolution, so it seems unlikely to arise spontaneously in domestic cats. Why do cats purr? Cats purr because they have something to say, which roughly translated please keep still and pay attention to me. Kittens purr to persuade their mother to keep on nursing them, and pet cat purr because they want to stroke the vibration emanating from the purr certainly have a calming effect on people. Yet sick cats will also purr as a cry for help. So purring does not mean I am happy. Some research have claimed the vibration of purring might help heal along. Bradshaw is rating dogs and cats are far more similar to the wild ancestor. Dogs are evolved, so dogs are in the sense that domesticated of two species. As they adapted to live alongside, cats became more sociable with one another, and much more accepting of people. But there is no evidence have changed much more than the past few hundred of years. Will cat require meat? Cats and group are mammal animals. In contrast, the cat family known as Felidae. Whereas dogs can synthesize these substances from procedure, cats have to obtain them from it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like the video.